Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee for sale. This vehicle comes in a black exterior, and we have a black interior. Do have memory seats here for the driver, lumbar support, steering wheel. Also have heated and ventilated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel, sunroof, blind spot assist, rear climate control, including heated seats back here as well. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Coming around to the back, we've got our Jeep 4x4 badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close, and hopping inside the vehicle, mileage currently at 62,669. Do have a push button ignition. And here is our touchscreen display, currently showing navigation, radio, backup camera, and then we have some climate controls here, as well as additional climate controls here within the menu system. And then you can also see the heated, ventilated, and heated steering wheel functions there as well. Below that, we've got our shifter, various traction modes. And if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.